Welcome back, people. Welcome back to Big Si Blogs. Yes, I am Big Si. Yes, right, so Big Si Blogs here. So today is a very special day. It's Armed Forces Day, and today is a very special day where I live in Stockton-on-Tees. Now, we've had a very special guest today, a Dakota plane. We've had a flyover, yes, and so we've got a grand opening of Stockton-on-Tees. The multi-million pound new Riverside front and park and everything, and it's a grand opening. And guess what? We're still flying the colours though in Stockton-on-Tees for now, till somebody moans diversity and stops it. But we're all British, and he's a good Dakota flyover. Check this plane out. So let's get into it.